Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 3. We'll present regarding President Jokowi leadership. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce my team. I am Atifah Syaidah, and my teammate with Nurul Zahra Andini, Rasmi Ririn, Rini Azuri, and Rosa Afriani, with lecture in chart Mr. Rizky Shafril, SHI MSI. Okay, the first material will be explained by Nurul Zahra Andini.
Okay, thanks moderator. I will present about clear vision. Jokowi has developed a vision focused on infrastructure, industrialization, and economic equality. Programs such as the Maritime Highway, Toll Road, Constitution, the new capital IKN, and downstream industrialization reflects his long-term vision. However, some critics argue that this plan does not sufficiently consider environmental stability and human resources readiness. Next. Uh, Next, integrity. Jokowi is known as humble and corruption-free leader. However, in his second term, some critics argue that he has become more compromising in political transactions, especially with coalition parties. Okay, thank you. Back to my moderator.
Thank you to Nurul. The next material will be explained by Resmi Ririn.
Thank you, moderator. Effectivitas communication. Jokowi's communication style is simple and direct, making it easy for the public to understand. However, at times there is a gap between rhetoric and policy implementation, such as in COVID-19 management and the energy transition. Next, ability to motivate. Jokowi has successful motivate bureaucrats and businesses through policies like the Omnibus Law, nickel downstreaming, and large-scale infrastructure, development. However, some policies have been criticized from fighting pressure on certain groups, such as workers and environmental activists. Thank you.
Thank you to Ririn. The next material explained by Rini.
Thank you, moderator. Next is empathy. Jokowi often demonstrates empathy by directly visiting affected communities. However, in issues such as land conflict and civil liberty, critics argue that his administration policies do not only sidewide marginal groups. Next, wise decision making. Jokowi has been decisive in infrastructure and industrialization policy. However, in matters such as the extension of village health farm and the new capital, IKN, some decisions are seen as political motivated. I return it to the moderator.
Thanks to Rini. The next material will be explained by Rosa.
Thank you, moderator. Next material is delegation skill. Jokowi has appointed ministers from various backgrounds, including professional and technocrats. However, some policies appear to be dominated by political interests from coalition parties, reducing bureaucratic effectiveness. Next material is adaptability. Jokowi has adapted well to global changes such as digitalization and energy transition. However, in areas such as enforcement and democracy, his adaptability has been criticized as lacking progressiveness. That's all the material I have to say. Next, I return it to be the moderator.
Thank you, Rosa. The next material will be explained by me. The material is responsibility. As president, Jokowi is responsible for major policies. However, on issues such as IKN, relocation, and rising national debt, some critics believe that his administration has not fully addressed public concern. The next material is continuous learning. Jokowi has shown a willingness to learn from other countries regarding development and industrialization. However, in aspects like democracy and press freedom, some critics argue that lessons from advanced nations have not been fully implemented. From the material that has been explained, it can be concluded Jokowi is a leader with a clear vision and strong execution, especially in infrastructure and industrialization. However, challenges remain in areas such as democracy, civil liberties, and law enforcement. As he nears the end of his presidency, the true impact of his policies will be tested by their sustainability and long-term effect of future generations. That's all presentation from group 3. Sorry for any mistake that occurred. I'll end it here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.